this shit.
Hey yo, I formulate anomalies just to fill the void. This lyrical real dudes be getting us alone. Feel the rhythm of the soul while your hands start to gnawing. But she can't go like I'm coming from Illinois. Being rappers on the map, you know we come correct. We always been the realest, my dude, and that's the fact. No caps around here, we always making bold statement. The feeling of the bomb, let you know who's in the basement. Speak the same tongue like our craniums adjacent. We real African, brother man, we got accent. The culture is a gift, that's why you're rapping in the present. My cellular beats for the soul, and that's the essence. Culture don't with opulence, that leaves you in a trance. Building pyramids and orbits, slowing down is not a chance. A joyful rebellion, finding my hip stance. You can feel the vibration rising in the air. The energy's so thick, I can feel it through my head. Heirlooms is what I drop and take heat. Pick up the juice, stay aware of the divided chains. All the views, life is with a thing black, you should know the rules. I bend these joints to escape my oasis. Save your mind with the soul until you feel the ice. Honey molasses, go on, take your chances. Deep soul. Deep soul. Deep soul. Check it out. Hey yo, the frequencies immaculate when I channel my energy. I teach you in between the line and keep the symmetry. It's embedded in my brain to illustrate where I'm from. We go against the brain to cultivate the art form. The ghetto is a hole where the struggle is the norm. Even though it's so elusive, we still make it through the storm. I'm still rooted in the culture, they assume suicidal. I live inside the scripts, they don't know I'm monumental. Bring back the rap to mega tendencies of every title. You rap these words as a gift and it's for you. They hail from the heart, you're with nothing but the truth. Peace, love, and blessings from the old to the youth. Appreciation is a must, and that's what I'm gonna do. Keep raps as a shoot, cause I know God is the truth. Around the way we go to the opposite of youth. Back to the source, Africa, they pursue it. They pursue it. Back to the source, Africa, they pursue it. 1, 2. Deep soul. Yo, X on the board, and I'm out. Good night.
Good night. We done it.